Hello traders, hello rich spirits, it's me Krasmir Panayotov, and in this quick video I want to share with you my thoughts on Euro USD, on gold, Gbp USD and some other pairs which I would like to trade the next week. So what we have right here is the Euro USD chart, the daily chart, and I want to show you and again to remind you that we're in a strong uptrend, but currently in a range consolidation zone. So we need to break this consolidation right here to get out and take longer positions for buying or shorting the Euro USD pair. And right now I want to remind you the daily zones that I have drawn, so we can see the clear picture where can be our profits, where can be our next trades, and this is my daily support and resistance zones right here. So what happened on the last Friday? We had a big movement to the upside, and this is right after, let's move to the 4 hour. We saw this right after breaking this 4-hour channel right here. So the price broke above, retested the channel and created a new high, which can be a start of a new trend. So what we have drawn in what we did in the last analysis was
drawing
this 4-hour resistance zones. I will do it again in front of you so you can see where the price bounced most of the times. So you can see clearly where we have the best trading opportunities. So this is it, guys. Pretty quickly, our support and resistance zones on the 4-hour, and as you can see, we broke out from this zone and we reached the next 4-hour zone. Now from here we can expect move back to the downside to regain some bullish strength, so more buyers can get the euro on cheap price, and from there we can see another push to the previous high right here or to the next daily zone right here. Of course, it's possible to draw a little bit lower to the trend line, the daily trend line right here, and from there to search a buy opportunity, to look for buy signals and buy opportunities based on 4-hour candles, patterns, or something else which will tell us. And of course, guys, from here we can create a new highs. We have already discussed this, but another scenario can be just this trend to continue up to this previous high, to this previous resistance zone, and if we break this zone, to continue to the next daily resistance zone. As you can see, the next daily resistance zone in the past is here. As you can see, it was multiple times in the past a resistance, so we can expect and we can select to take profits here. So this is now for the Euro USD. Of course, if the bulls are pretty strong, which happens very often when we break from a range like this, we can see a move even to the upper resistance daily zone. So that's all for now for this pair. Let's move to the Gbp USD. What we can clearly see, and what we have discussed on the previous analysis is that we're in a strong uptrend, which in the last week created a new higher high right here with this daily candle. And this is exactly what is in the past. We have these highs right here which acted as a resistance and currently are support for our price, and we have this top right here which in the past was also a resistance, as we can see here, and of course it was also a support in the past. Looking back here, and resistance here. So this is the next zone that the price this is the current zone actually that the price have reached, and from here we can look for sell or buy opportunities to the next zone right here, or pull back to this trend line. And when we move to the 4 hour charts, we can see how this happened. So we had a massive news that bumped the price up right here. A lot of
sellers' stop losses were hit
because a lot of people put their stop loss above the previous highs, right? So they got hit right here, and this triggered weakness in the bears. So the price went back, got some strength, and from here we went strongly bullish, like on the euro. Let me show you the 4 hour. We had a move back here, pulled back, got some strength, and we crashed up above. So of course the Gbp USD moved strongly and reached the next resistance zone. So now what we can expect in the next days, we can see some consolidation right here, and after we break the consolidation we can move up to this next resistance, or of course we can pull back to this previous support and this daily trend line, and from there we can look for nice bullish opportunities for this previous high. So we can buy here if there is enough evidence, of course, if there are enough proofs that the price can go up again, and we can take our next profits here or even higher right here on the next resistance zones. So that's pretty much for this market. I don't want to speak too much because it's pretty clear. Now, of course, for those who took a buy trade somewhere here or here, they can see if the price can create a new higher high, or they can expect some pullback to this previous support. So that's pretty much for this market. Now I want to bring back your attention to the gold, because I know guys, a lot of you like trading gold, and this is personally my favorite pair for the previous week and for the next week. And what have happened on gold is, as I mentioned in the previous analysis, we broke this triangle and we headed to this previous resistance. So usually when such strong resistance is broken, we can see even further move to the next resistance. And I personally, guys, will share with you that I took a trade somewhere here. This was my entry point after the retest of this trend line and this support, and this of course support, but we never get to this support. I've set my stop loss just right here under the previous low. Now my profit target is right here, so I'm targeting this level, and if I take a profit on this will be my profit, and this will be my risk. So it was a pretty nice trade. I have already moved my stop loss above somewhere here, so even if the price drop, I can still be in profit from this trade. And what I expect this week to happen is a pullback to this previous support zone, and from there another push to the upside. And what we can do here with my students is we can wait for a nice 4-hour signal based on the price action, of course. We can take a buy trade, we can set our stop loss somewhere here, and if our entry is somewhere here, we can take a new trade targeting this higher resistance. So this is my plan for the next week on gold. But I want to remind you that if the bears get some strength and start pushing the price down, we can have a retest of these previous lows, of this previous support, and if gets broken, the last level from where the price can bounce, it's this blue zone, but it's not that strong as the green zone. So if we get to this level and we push even lower, we can expect move to this previous 1800 zone. So this will be definitely our target if we are bears, because as you can see in the past, it was a pretty strong resistance zone, now turning to support. So as you can see on daily, we had a bullish engulfing candle, and right here also bullish sign for the buyers. So I believe that the price of gold can continue to this previous resistance, and why not even to the ultimate high and even higher. But we have to watch and see what the price will do next week. And this is pretty much everything for gold. If you have any questions, guys, write. If you have any suggestions, write your opinion on the comment
section.
I think after the break of this triangle, we will see this bullish push, but you know, nothing is sure in forex, so everything can happen. Let's see the Euro JPY and USD Jpy. What happened on daily chart on USD Jpy in Friday was a massive push from this trend line, from this trending channel, and we had a pretty strong movement to the downside. Here we can see some support of the price, and we can see some move of the price back up to these previous highs and again to the channel, or we can penetrate the zone and look for profit somewhere here if we are on the bearish side. Of course, those who took a sell trade somewhere here, they can profit now, they can take profits, and I'm sure that a lot of people and a lot of banks will take some profits here. So if this happens, we can see this move to the upside. But if the move is too strong, we can see another push to this previous low. I think we will see some bullish movement, and the same will be, because this is a daily zone, as you can see. I'll show you when I zoom out on the daily. This is a strong resistance, support resistance zone. So now it's currently support and can support the buyers. But I also want to tell you that this is pretty strong candle. This is big bearish candle right here. So this is a strong bearish signal, and we can see the price sell off to this previous low right here, or even to the downtrend of the channel. Let me show you. We have a channel right here. So this is what I expect in USD Jpy. Let's move to Euro Jpy. On Euro Jpy we had a pretty strong uptrend as with the Euro USD. As you can see, the daily, they correlate pretty much. And now we're currently testing this trend line. So what happened on the 4 hour? We reached this resistance right here, and from there the price just dropped. Some people took a sell trade from here and they got pretty nice profit until this current support zone. As you can see, this is a strong support zone, so we can easily see some pushback to the upside or to these previous highs. If we draw one zone right here, this can be our first target if we buy somewhere right here, and our second target can be this previous high. So if we go bullish, the price will do exactly like this, and maybe can create even a higher high somewhere here. Let's see where can be our daily target. Okay, we can see some zone right here. I think it's in the next possible zone, maybe right here. So we have touched the daily resistance and we bounced back. So right now we can see another push up to the daily resistance, and if we break it, we can expect move to this next zone, this next resistance zones. But it's also very possible, guys, if the
USD Jpy
drops, we can see drop also on Euro Jpy to this previous support zone. In this previous support zone on daily, you can see that was strong resistance in the past, now turned to support, and from there we can see if this double top right here, let me quickly show you. Everyone knows the double top pattern or the M pattern, and if we break under the neckline, we can see some strong sell-off of this pair. But of course, this support zone can act as a support once again and push the price up higher to retest this trend line, and then maybe we to see another drop or another push back in the trend.
Okay guys, this is everything from me for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it will be very beneficial for you and you make a great money next week on the Forex market. I wish you successful trading quick. I wish you good luck, and let's see each other in the next videos. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe, and let's see each other soon, smashing this Forex money trading lifestyle. Guys, see you. Peace.